Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan and in today's video I have got the cheapest Traxxas Slash Project out with me once again. Now I haven't done any mods since the last time, but I just want to test it out and see if the mods I did last time will hold up. If you're new to the channel, this started out as the cheapest Traxxas Slash and I built it into basically the brushless machine that it is today. And I basically swapped everything over so it is now exactly the same as the VXL model, and this one has a low center of gravity chassis conversion, so it handles a heck of a lot better too. Oh, and the other thing I did last time, guys, with the Nerf Bars, I forgot about the Nerf Bars. They've held up well. I thought real quick that I would show some of my new viewers, if you haven't been watching this project and you're new to it, I thought I'd show you a little bit what's going on underneath. Basically, this has been converted over to a VXL model. This is the VXL 3S with a Valenian fan that I put on top. And this right here is the 3500 kV Valenian motor. So this is what would come in a VXL two-wheel drive Slash. I also switched the radio system over to one that I had laying around, which is also the TQI, meaning it has got the TSM receiver in it, which is Traxxas Stability Management, which is a gyro that basically keeps the thing going straight when you're trying to put the power down. And this, of course, is that low center of gravity chassis. I also installed these Atomic RC aluminum shock towers, so in the front and the back. Also these knockoff big bore shocks that I bought off of Amazon, and so far they're kind of on the springy side, but they've held up really well. They can soak up the bumps pretty good, so I'm not really complaining. What else have I done to this? I also did RPM suspension arms. I also put a steering bell crank system in here. You can see that's a Traxxas upgrade part, the blue aluminum right there. I did switch that metal spur gear in. I still have the stock drive shafts. I'm surprised, guys, these drive shafts, these plastic drive shafts have held up on this machine, even with the VXL power. So that's pretty surprising. Also, feel free to check out the cheapest Traxxas Slash series. I'll go ahead and put a card in the corner of this video, so then you can go ahead and go check out the entire series from when I bought it, unboxed it, all the way up to basically how it sits now. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get this hooked up, and we're gonna jump right in this video. I forgot that I also have the TRX caster blocks and then some other knockoff aluminum steering knuckles, and I got some nice blue anodized rear hub carriers in the back. So that was the other upgrade. I knew there was something else, but let me throw the body on. Alrighty, here we go. I think what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and hit these ramps right now and just jump it down here into the grass. That should be a heck of a lot of fun. So here we go. All right, I'm gonna get over here and let's go ahead and just ease onto the throttle. I'm not even gonna go very fast. So the thing I decided to do real quick off camera, I decided to just take these smaller ramps and put them up underneath of my bigger ramps just to elevate those ramps even more, so we'll have even bigger, higher jumps. So let's go ahead and hit it. Just easing on the throttle. Nice. She's a ripper. Bring it back. Jump it again. Rip it around down there. Ooh. Let's go get it. How about launch? Let me get on this side. Ready? Get set? Go! Can you guys see the tire stripes it left right here? That's pretty funny, actually. You'd think the two-wheel drive Slash would be better at drifting because there's less traction, but actually, since thing's lifting up so much, it's actually easier to do a four-wheel drift with my four-wheel drive Slash most of the time, I noticed. Like, it's hard to kick those tires out. Also guys, if you're liking the cheapest Traxxas Slash Project, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button for me. It would mean a lot. It really helps out my channel as well as this video. And I greatly appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. So then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, because there's going to be more upgrades with this machine, and then obviously more testing to come. Ooh. See, I'm trying to kick the rear end out, and it's very difficult to do so. See, that's what it does. As soon as it lifts up those front tires, it really isn't going to drift. So if this thing had more weight on the front, this thing would probably be a pretty good drifter, but there's just not enough weight on the front. To kick out that rear end, just not enough weight. You really need that front end to like push, and there's just not enough weight on that front end. It's still lifting up that inner front tire, which is why it's not going to drift. Like I said, there's just not enough weight. Ooh, that sounded loud. Hopefully I didn't blow a tire open. Ooh. Well, you can see the state of these tires. Oh, I'm missing foam in here. Did the foam move? Because I can feel in here, there's no foam right here. What the heck? Foam, foam, no foam. Huh. Well, we're missing foam, or the foam is disintegrated in there. One or the other. Something's happened with the foam. Gotta go get it. Here's what the tires look like ballooning up. Flip it upright. How about another launch? Ready, get set, go! Once again, left lines. It's really not good for these tires, but it's so much fun. Really, the only time I can drift this thing is when I'm on the brakes and slowing down, because then the reason is because all that weight's still going forward when you're braking, so then it puts weight on the front end. That's the reason why under braking the thing can drift going into like corners. Like that. When I'm braking, I can kick that rear end out. I cannot kick the rear end out under power though. Nice. almost ran into the pole. Don't want to run into the pole right here. I have run the two-wheel drive Slash into stuff, but for the most part I try to avoid it. There's two-wheel drive braking for you. Ooh, I think we hit low voltage mode, guys. Yep, she turned off. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps out my channel as well as this video. And definitely stay tuned because there's more upgrades to come with the cheapest Traxxas Slash project. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Make sure to also hit that notification bell so then you'll be notified when I am coming out with new videos. So I will see you guys in another video. Later.